Where are we going right now?
Hattie B's.
Hattie, like the Mad Hatter. Hattie B's for hot chicken. Hot chicken. You guys excited? You gonna eat some chicken?
Yeah.
What? Dag.
Your destination will be on the left.
He's 5, you guys. Yeah, it's ooey. I have a beetle on my neck. Cause that's sexy. Oh yeah, look at that line. You guys look at that. Can you both just, is that parking or no?
I don't know.
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Chicken and cupcake. You gotta eat your chicken to get a cupcake, guys.
Hurrah, cupcake.
So what do you guys think? How long are we gonna be in this line?
2 hours.
2?
No, I don't know.
What do you think?
I have no idea. We haven't moved that far.
How long have you been? Like a half hour?
Yeah.
20 minutes?
I think a half hour.
I'm hoping it's not more than an hour. I wonder if we could drink beer in line. Like, can you just drink beer on the streets here, or is that not legal?
Unless it's like Nevada.
Yeah, oh, you could do street drinking in Nevada? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Hi!
Is this the line for Pokemon?
Hey, you! Hi, kitty! Well, hi! It's Callie!
She's such a diva. I love it.
Oh, she is.
Totally.
No, it wasn't like that.
You were.
Maybe they did that because it's so good.
That's the best one.
Oh, no.
It's called Birthday Surprise.
Because you don't know what flavor.
It's a surprise.
So much.
You excited?
Yeah.
So cool. A bathroom with no sink. We sing this song. We've sung this before.
You know this song, huh?
Yeah.
Mom, I don't know the end.